Hello viewers, in this video we're going to learn how to calculate the 3 by 3 matrix. For you to calculate the 3 by 3 matrix, we're going to use either the first row or the first column of this matrix to expand the bracket. But here we are going to use the first row here, the first 3 number in the matrix. We are going to use it to expand the bracket. That is, for you to find the determinant, it's all about expansion. If we take the v, this is determinant of v, or we can say the v. The v is equals to, we're going to say this is plus 2, this is minus 3, this is plus 4. When we take 2, when we take 2 outside the brackets, then we're going to take these numbers that are not in line with the 2. Therefore, we're going to take these 4 numbers that are not in line with the 2 to form another bracket. That is, we take 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1. Then we're going to take 3 again. Since we are taking the first row here, we take minus 3. The number doesn't contain minus, but based on the rule says this is plus minus plus. That is, we open another matrix. Then we're not going to use any number in line with this 3. We're going to take only a number outside. This 1, 3, 3, and minus 1. Then lastly, we are going to take minus 4. This is plus into minus 4. Then we are going to take any number that are not in line with the 4. This is the number must be 1, 2, 3, and minus 1. These are the number we are going to use. Then lastly, we are going to open the bracket the way we are solving 2 by 2 matrix. This is equals to, we have 2 outside, we have 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2, then we have minus outside, 1 minus 1 times 3, we have minus 3. Then this is minus 3 outside. We have 1 times 1 minus 1 times 1 here is minus 1. Then we have minus 3 times 3 here, we have 9. Here we have plus times minus, here is minus 4. Open bracket, minus times 1, we have minus 1. Minus 3 times 2 here is 6. This is equals to, we have 2 outside, we have minus times minus here is plus. Minus 2 times 3, this is, we have minus 2 plus, minus times minus here is plus 3. Then this is minus 3 outside, minus, that is, we have minus 10. This is minus 4 outside, minus 1 minus 6, this is minus 7. Lastly, we are going to open the bracket, minus 2 plus 3, that is, we have only 1, that is 2 times this one is 2. We have minus times minus here is plus. 3 times 10, this is 30. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 7 is 28. We are going to have absolute value of b, that is, def b is equals to 2 plus 30, 32, 32 plus 28, this is equals to 60. The determinant of 3 by 3 matrix here is 60. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.